Hey, out here on Shearon Harris this morning. What we at? Mid-November, something like that. It's finally cooling off a little bit. It ain't cold, but it's cooling off a little bit. Hopefully it's gonna get these crappie sitting where they should be this time of year. So we're gonna get out here and see if we can't find some slabs today. Let's get it. Alright, they are hard to find today. I just marked a brush pile that looks like it might have a couple of fish on it. Threw a marker buoy on it. Now I'm going to drop some lines down, maybe a few feet above the brush pile, and troll around it, see if there's anything there. Down there, not much of a fish. He's back. Get this time. There he is. Ain't much to him, I believe. We'll take him. Okay, that's a decent fish. Oh, there's one down there. Coming up on the brush pile, got the buoy over there about 30 feet ahead of me. Starting to mark a little bit of stuff on the screen, but it ain't much, man. It ain't much. It's tough. There's a bite. Get it. There you go.